Hi there. Welcome back to the demonstration of the Hive AI platform functions and features. In my previous video, I gave an overview of what the Hive is, what the Hive AI platform is about, and the six pillars we're built upon. Today we're going to go into the context engine. One of the six pillars is security. So we have something called PACO. And please forgive me for all the acronyms I use. I'm not the creative type, but it's funny. So policy aware context orchestrator. So what that says, policy aware, I have my security dashboard where I have my data loss prevention. I have my, prevent PII loss, prevents credit cards, don't let this customer information out. This is private. Whatever we're setting up as our policies and our standards, that any application or interface is aware of those policies and applies those policies through your chat or any interaction. Now, and then there's the context orchestrator. The context orchestrator says this is about the person, all of their chat histories, all their, all the index from the cloud storage and email and whatnot, any of the AI applications says, here's my digital persona and here's my digital presence. Anytime I'm working with something, I want you to grab the right information and feed it to the AI models so I'm not retraining. Again, multiple models and multiple apps, and then centralized hub. So as we go into the chat interface, Mr. Buddy B, you can go full screen or not, but it's easier just to see. We can get into our chat history, our chat models, deep mode. Deep mode is a nice feature because if you turn it off, it'll access the last 10 chats that you have. So it's relatively quick, but if you hit deep mode, it accesses everything. So those searches can take longer. Model switch, when that feature is turned on, and again, remember this is beta. When that feature gets turned on, it'll allow you. You can say automatic, and it will automatically choose the right AI model and the least cost, the right AI provider and the least cost AI model to complete the task that you're asking for. It will also give you, well, it'll be on everything, a token budget. Depending on what you're asking for, this is what it's going to like. It could be a feature, hey, go build this image, or hey, here's a chat. It'll say this is how many tokens this request is going to assume. These are estimates, but it does help you with budgeting. And then settings, that's a feature release where it says, here's the personalities I want to use. Again, based on the last video, we'll get into it again for your AI.me. As it builds your digital persona, it'll say, hey, this is your personalities. We're pretty sure this is you casual, this is you professional, this is you personal, whatever it is. And you can then say, hey, I'm going to choose this personality for this session. Or you can say none. And for some reason, you're just going to be witty or silly or whimsical, and you don't want that to be part of your AI.me profile. I'm going to go ahead and, you can collapse it, but I'm going to go into side mode because I like it. And as you can see, I can choose my model providers and the different models that it has. And down here, it tells you what's active. So I'm going to give it a quick prompt. I'm son of the queen bee of the hive. Something silly. I'm going to go ahead and tell ChatGPT, and it knows that I'm with the High Point group, and so it's giving me some feedback. In the same chat, I'm going to go ask Claude, who am I related to? So Claude's going to say, "Hey, based on your style guide, you are metaphorically the son of the queen bee." So it looked and came back with the same context of the current chat. So I'm going to rename this chat Queen Bee and Me, and then I'm going to do a new chat. So having context engine in a single chat is pretty cool. But now here's a new chat, and I'm going to change over to a new AI. So this AI, of course, wasn't part of the last conversation. There's no context of the conversation here, but because my deep seek mode is not on, I can see the last 10 chats. I can say, uh, um, "Who am I the son of?" And it will go try and pull that information, but then it comes back to you're the son of the queen bee. So now I have, as you can see, I just went through 3 different models, and I did not have to train each one because my context was all local. This is the strength of the context platform, that if I had an app up, I could then interact with the same thing. Hey, give me a picture of so and so based on this branding guide. And again, I'm going to show the app separately, but this is just quick. Here's the context engine. Here's the chat interface. And this is why you have one subscription, one token, enterprise grade security wrapped around every AI model that we're providing. And again, we're getting meta in here. We're trying to get as many AI providers in here and the models. So with that, on to the next.